almost feels like a tornado in the way that I can see it just above me, and it's almost like touching down.
Yeah, I know. It really just feels like it's only a couple of stories above us.
Yeah.
It's moving really fast though.
It's going to be hail moving ahead right now.
It's coming from the left. I can see over there. There's going to be some rain coming. Oh, it is raining now.
Yeah, we're in
Oh, that was big.
Right, so this is the highway overpass. So, unless things have changed, there used to be a park on the left just over this bridge where we could stop and hide. So looking at the road, what it says here now, this park allows for a steep way, Gimpy. We go left, we turn left.
You have your headlights on?
Yeah, get I think this is the park here. Looking at that cafe.
Yeah, that's just rocks getting blown.
So you see all these trees and things here, where this park was like this, all these, maybe it's added up there now. Don't tell me the whole road's like this. This is where we
Oh.
look for someone to stop.
Fucking hell! That was a tree.
I know it was a tree. The trees are way the fuck up there. I was thinking of hiding in a park where there's trees, and now I'm thinking,
Well, okay,
I want to get away from the trees now.
we have no visibility.
Yeah, and there's trees on the road, and I want to stop where there's no trees.
Oh, that's a hail.
Tree right beside us.
The lights.
What light?
The top interior light popped out.
Oh, that's because we got hit by a fucking hail. See the flashes on this car here. There. Over your head. I don't know what else we've got. We need to protect us. We got the bag. We got my bag. So that's about it. If we get hit now by something, it'll be a fucking tree. But I managed to, at least I hope to have got past the so stressed. I hope to have, there was a dead tree back there, and I sort of tried to get past it because the wind was coming from the other way. Oh shit, there's still people driving. I also parked at the spot where you can't get hit from behind. I've never been this stressed before.
I'm actually shaking.
Me too.
Sounds like they're getting bigger. I'm trying to check if there's any trees. I
looked before we stopped, and we've got past the biggest tree.
This one on our left, that's probably the largest one, but everything else around us is pretty small. At least it's coming from behind. It
was shaking the car. Now these people are moving. I don't know if there's anything better ahead. Can you look on your radar and see if anything's better? You're not using your radar.
I can.
Have you been recording that whole
Yeah, I started recording as soon as we
by the bridge?
No, as soon as we saw when you said the clouds were like right above us, I started recording.
Oh, so you got the branch and everything?
I got the branch and everything. I got the hail and everything. I started shaking so bad that I stopped the camera from filming, and then I had to restart it, and I had to just restart it again because I had to check bomb. But at least it's clearing up now. At least it's just rain. It doesn't look like we've been damaged. I don't see any damage on the bonnet. Although whatever hit us from above was...
Yeah, enough to knock the fuck out. The roof would be dented for sure.
This actually is now broken.
Yeah.
It's...
The visibility's a bit better now.
I don't know if...
Oh look, there's an overbridge or something up ahead. I reckon everyone should be just parked under that.
Does the lights? Oh yeah, the light still works. Okay, that's good at least. But this is all. That's all gone.
Ready to move on?
Yeah. I'm just gonna keep on recording.
See behind me to see if it's okay. I tell you, you fucking go into like a different mode of thinking
When that happens,
like I'm so fucking nervous. I was no longer thinking about the hail. I didn't care less if the hail, look at that tree. I didn't care less if the hail smashed every window. I was more concerned about getting crushed by a big ass tree. Fucking hell. Shit. And to think I pulled off onto this road to get away from it.
We probably would have been better on the highway still.
We wouldn't be able to stop. You can't. There's nowhere to stop on the highway, and that's why I decided to go this way.
At least there wouldn't be trees.
No, that's true.
But I mean, there would have been the potential to get rear-ended or something, I guess, from someone. assess the damage. So we're inspecting the damage to the car. Big tree branch hit the windshield and the roof. Do you see anything? Oh yeah, there's a couple of dents. Oh. A couple of dents here and there. Definitely hail damage, no doubt about it. The grille is okay, and we still have headlights, so that's good.
This would be big in there, like that right on the corner. There's a couple like that are right on the corner. Like they would be very hard places to be. And the big one that whacked us in the middle.
I mean, it probably just resprung.
It's just the softest part of the car.
There's nothing on the back. It was just mostly the bonnet.